Opposition leader V D Satheesan has come to the fore against the new COVID restrictions imposed in the state by the Kerala government. He alleged that the changes in the restrictions are to help the CPM and the COVID norms were sabotaged for party conventions. Changing the restrictions for the party is ridiculous. CPM conventions led the transmission of COVID to turn severe. CPM leaders and ministers are dealers of death in Kerala, he added. Satheesan blamed the leaders participating in CPM conventions for not going under isolation. The norms were changed to exclude districts where the conventions are held. Thrissur and Kasaragod are the districts needed to be restricted the most. In the third wave, the health department is at standstill. He said COVID norms are decided from AKG Centre. Meanwhile, Health Minister Veena George on Friday urged to strictly follow the guidelines issued by the health department in the wake of the transmission of COVID turning severe. The minister said those having fever should not go out and tests should be conducted if they have any symptoms. A complete lockdown would be the last resort, she added. The health minister also responded to criticism on category-wise restrictions. Scientific norms are adopted now. Different defense measures are adopted from the first wave. Each type of resistance must be adopted in each wave. A cluster management guideline has been released in the event of an increase in COVID. Institutions need to have an infection control team accordingly. They should be given special training. If there are more than 10 patients, then it is a cluster. If there are 5 large clusters, then the institution should be closed for 5 days. Of the 1,99,041 COVID patients in the state, only 3% are hospitalized. The oxygen bed requirement is now 0.7%. The use of ventilators was reduced by 2% as well. 100% people above 18 have completed the first dose of vaccination. The minister said Omicron is not more deadly than Delta and therefore there is no need to worry or fear. News Desk, Kaumudy Global.